Okay, YouTube. Hi, it's me, Uncle Dennis from the soccer10.com website. In this video, I will be sharing with you a secret that it's very important and it's very effective. Now, technically, we are here outside in my backyard, and we're basically looking at some unusual concepts with the Ronaldinho flick. Some of you call it the Ronaldinho elastic, all kind of different names. We here at the Soccer Number 10 just call it a Ronaldinho trick, and that's it. Now, if you are going to employ or deploy someone else's trick, it is very important for you to please understand the concepts of it. Now, with all that said and done, let's go into the Ronaldinho's trick. First of all, I'm trying to roll the ball up so you can see me. I'm going to step behind. Notice where I'm touching the ball from an angle, pushing it, and then I'm going to flick it in. Let's step back a little so you can see all that happening. 1, 2, right? It's a very powerful trick. 1, 2, because it gets your opponent off balance. And the reasons for this, ladies and gentlemen out there in YouTube and in all my audiences, is just quite simple. It's a zigzag trick. It's going across the Z line. It's taking the person to the right, which is your left, then back to the left, which is your right. Okay, I know it sounds technical, but by understanding the elements of footworks and mastering footworks, you need to understand which leg you will get the ball onto for your opponents. Now, most of these are explained on the soccer10.com forum or soccer10.com/blog. We explain most of these systems by understanding the positions of your opponent's legs. Many soccer players who are talented number 10s knows for a fact that they have to understand these basic fundamentals. Now, with all that theoretical let's get back to the real systems. And for all of you out there who are in my professional audiences, I really want you to understand that, hey, I am also competent of what I'm talking about. Now, first, you're pushing the ball. Notice where my knee is. You can't see it because of this video. I'm pushing the ball and flicking it here. But they create some problems because you're rubbing your toes or your insteps across the ball, hoping to catch it back at an angle. Let me try to show you real quick. You're flicking it and hoping to catch it back at an angle. Let's step off a little from that line, imaginary line for the focal point of this video, so to speak. I'm touching the ball and then I'm flicking it across the angle. See, this is how, you see that error right there? It can occur in many games. Look, you might miss the ball. You might go like this and it goes in the straight line. And that's not what you want. But somehow, after practicing this system for a few days, you might perfect it. But sometimes it's not so effective. It has rooms for error. And not everything is 100% in mathematics or in the world as we know it to be true and in fact. But in this concept, notice what I am doing now. I am touching the ball at the top and then catching it at the ground. Let's show you again. See, it gives the same flickery effect, right? But this one is at the side and the cross. This one is at the top and across. Let's show you again.
Nhấp vào link bên dưới để nhận quà tặng miễn phí từ chương trình hoặc liên hệ website www.bongdachaem.info để biết thêm chi tiết.